Thank you for tuning in to a toasty Tuesday evening weathercast. Temperatures already topping out in those 80s throughout the sunrise side. 88 in Alpena is the hot spot. If you're looking for some relief, Rogers City is the place to go at 79 degrees. But in between, 83 in Oscoda, 84 in West Branch. Winds mostly coming out of the south between 14 and 15 miles per hour in Harrisville and Oscoda. Lighter winds are towards the interior at 7 in Mayo out of the southeast, and a little bit of that northeasterly breeze in Rogers City bringing that relief at 6 miles per hour. But the warm-up continues for the second straight day, especially throughout lower Michigan. 9 degrees warmer in Alpena than it was at this time on Monday, 12 degrees warmer in Oscoda. The real cool down is actually towards the northwest in Ironwood, 11 degrees cooler, and that's because of a cold front that's sliding through the UP. We will eventually get some of those impacts later on tonight, pushing into tomorrow morning. But in the meantime, good amount of sunshine. Just make sure to stay hydrated through the final hours of today, as temperatures are going to continue to be in those 80s, eventually falling into those 70s as we go into the early evening hours. But dry weather all the way through the parts of the Ohio Valley, but trouble already cooking in parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the western UP. Gradually will slide its way towards the east later on tonight. So clouds are on the increase, especially after midnight. Best chances of rain for northeast Michigan will occur as we wake up on this Wednesday morning. And as that cold front slides through, it's just really going to bring a bit of a dip in that humidity as we push towards the back end of the work week. But it's going to take a while because there's still going to be a little bit of that moisture hovering, even pushing into parts of Thursday. So Thursday we'll still see mostly cloudy skies and maybe an isolated to scattered shower with maybe a possibility of a thunderstorm developing with a little bit of that daytime heating. Sunshine more prominent as we push towards Friday. Hour by hour for the remainder of tonight, we're going to see those temperatures gradually falling from those 80s into the 70s, bottoming out at 64 degrees by tomorrow morning with the best chance of rain. Rain chances decreasing as we push towards the afternoon as temperatures top out once again in those low 80s. By tomorrow night, we actually cool off into those low 50s as we actually enjoy that little bit of that dry wedge before some moisture creeps in on Thursday. So when it comes to beach and boating, rain chances for tomorrow are going to be in the morning. Thursday will be more so towards the afternoon. Winds are going to be out of the northwest tomorrow at 5 to 10 knots, then shifting out of the southeast on Thursday at the same speed of 5 to 10 knots, but waves light at less than 2 feet. Water temperature at 66 degrees. So great weather to cool off, especially from these temperatures hovering in those low 80s. And then we begin to see a sign of a cool down as we go through the weekend and eventually next Monday at 72 degrees with a mixture of sun and clouds.